Hello everyone. I didn't get to shoot an intro for the beginning of this video, but I just went out testing the boat. But we're just going to roll right in to some of the footage of how I did that day. Let's take it off. Oh boy. See what the water temp is. Lord, it says it's 70. That's right. It's saying 62 degrees. Turn this up so bad over here. See how it is. First time I've been in the old Jon Boat by myself. Got all the graphs on. I'm loving this spotlight. There we go. That ain't bad. Come on here. That didn't take long. Small little one, but it's a little chunker. It's a little female. But nice little fish. Especially a good one to start the day off with. I mean, I think that was like the third cast. Not bad. Oh boy, it could get good. That's feels real good. Just sit here, right in the middle of this pocket. Okay. I'm working my way on back here. Just kind of looking for, just scanning and seeing if I see anything back here. Just looks like it'd be a good little spawning pocket. Ooh. Bluegill color. I think there's a ball of bait in that tree. Not even up front on the road. I don't know what that was. It didn't feel like a fish. That was a hit. That was a hit right there. I might do some credit. I got so excited I left all my drinks in the truck and everything. Come on now. God damn. Well, that took a little while. A little longer than the last one, but not bad. Good one. Well, finally. Woo. Old cranker. Knew it had to be one set of finesse. Too good not to. Really? Good God, I got one. It feels like a drum. I gotta go. Oh, damn. Changed it. Throwing the Texas rig. Oh, really? There? Yeah. All right. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Well, forgot I had the camera on the floor. That's 4 1/4, right at 4 1/4 pounds. Texas rig. Got a light little black spot on it. Thick. Good looking fish. Let's put her back. Woo! What I'm talking about. All right, well, the day started off as it was the first time I've been out in my boat by myself. So I kind of just wanted to go out, feel everything out by myself for one time, and then ended up catching a couple fish. So my main 2 setups for that day was the crankbait. I caught one off a crankbait. I caught a couple off a destroyer. And here's my setup. This is that Revo STX with the Cara. I used the medium action 7.2. It used to be their swim jig rod. Now it's just like their standard medium heavy. It's a new Cara. The new Caras are awesome, by the way. And then I was using this is an old Cara cranking rod. This is a composite rod. I love this rod for cranking. Of course, my Spro MDs. You can't go wrong with that bait, especially on the lakes I've been fishing. This has been my go-to bait here for a while. But it was just a fun day on the water. I had a great time. I actually just sat in the boat for a little while, just piddle farting around, just getting used to things, playing with my graphs and everything like that. So it was just a real chill day. I ended up catching a really good one. I don't know if we even got any footage of that or not, but I ended up catching right at, I think it was over 4 pounds. I think it was like 4.33. It was all pre-spawn. It was right before they're getting ready to pull up and everything. So like I said, awesome day trying the boat out. But if you like what you've seen in this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, because we got a lot of other cool stuff, and hopefully next time I'll remember to do the intro to the video. But until then, I hope to see you on the water.